ist jetzt Frage, du auch fliegen und mit welchem Flugzeug?
Ich fliege mit einem Motorrad.
Dieser eine Motor?
Also ein Motorrad, Motor, Kleider, Motorsegler und Ultralight.
Aha.
Soll ich das Deutsche auch dazu?
Ja.
The lectures will begin soon. This is not an official speech or anything. I just want your attention. So we will start gathering people in this hall. If you are missing somebody who would like to attend, please call them. And then we will try to stick to the program. That is also, if you scan this QR code on the name tag, you will access the program for the speeches. So we will try to keep this schedule. And yeah, just please use these 5 minutes to call if anybody wants to join. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, so shortly we will start with the presentation. Thank you. Thank you. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in Slovenia. It's really our great pleasure to have you here. And now we start with official program. And first of all, I would like to invite the president of this beautiful Aeroclub Celje. Please.
Dear members of the Federation of European Women Pilots, esteemed guests and fellow pilots, welcome to Slovenia, a country of the sunny side of the Alps. A small detail in our name is word love. That says much about the warmth, pride and spirit of its people. Small in size, yet significant in presence, Slovenia is proud and active member of the European Union.
Thank you very much, the president of Aeroclub Celje, for this introduction. And now we have also representatives from EASA here. So I would like to invite Nadia for her presentation. Yeah, please, Nadia. Very welcome to Slovenia.
Thank you very much. Yes, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia. I'm coming. Do you hear me? Yeah, I can closer to the mic. My name is Nadia Ilieva. I'm a representative of the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, and I'm very honored and pleased to be part of this summit. I'm used to be in conferences where majority are men, and now I'm feeling much at ease among you. So thank you very much for the possibility to take part in this event and to share our experience. My job at the EASA, European Union Aviation Safety Agency, is to contribute to the development of the internationally aligned and widely consulted robust regulatory framework.
Thank you, Nadia. Now I'm kindly inviting Nataša for her presentation. Thank you.
Okay, I will try. I will start with opening speech, and meanwhile I hope the presentation will work. So, distinguished guests, colleagues, organizers, friends of aviation, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to welcome you on behalf of the Civil Aviation Agency of the Republic of Slovenia to the European Women Pilot Summit and to have the opportunity to share this occasion with so many people who are passionate about aviation. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank the organizers for their remarkable energy and dedication in creating an event that brings together aviation, professionalism, friendship, and a shared passion for flying. Aviation has always been a field of great challenges, responsibility, and extraordinary people. And although the history of aviation was a long time written by mostly men, today it is becoming increasingly clear that the future of aviation cannot be built without the knowledge, talent, and perspectives of women. This is also recognized by the international aviation community. ICAO continuously highlights the importance of increasing the participation of women in aviation, emphasizing that diversity is not only a matter of equal opportunity.
Breda and Tanja, welcome to the stage.
Dear ladies, dear gentlemen, thank you for inviting us to this great event. It's my great pleasure and of my colleague Tanja to be here, to be invited and to share our stories with you. So we have prepared a short presentation of the Slovenian Police Air Support Unit. Tanja and myself, we have been employed there for roughly 20 years as pilots, and like Vesna mentioned, it's not just the police missions that we perform with helicopters, it's also the humanitarian, such as mountain rescue, medical flights, and so on. So our base is at Ljubljana at the main airport. You all know that Slovenia is a very small country, hence we currently have only one base, which is flight time from here with our helicopter is approximately 15 minutes, and by car it takes 1 hour. So the unit has a quite long tradition. It was established in '67 and it was one of the first units of its kind in Europe.
Thank you very much for your kind support. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me to be here to speak to a very important and distinguished audience at this special event. My name is Mateja, and I wear different hats in aviation and in my professional medical career. And today I'm very proud to be here as a representative of the Slovenian Civil Aviation Agency, where I'm the medical assessor and the chief medical officer. And I'm also, otherwise my background is a cardiologist, internal medicine specialist, and medical examiner, full-time employed in EASA, and so on. So I have also to declare that I have no financial relationship to disclose, and I don't have any conflict of interest. To begin, I'd like to ask you something provocative, and I hope you will answer directly without holding back. So, who's the natural enemy of pilots? Anyone is comfortable to tell loud and clear? Beside the weather, beside the birds? So, to help you a bit, this guy here. Aeromedical examiner and AME. Yeah. This is a secret saying, I would say. However, through this presentation, I will try to show you that this is not the case. This is not the intention of the doctors.
So now, please, the last presentation will be given by a man. So please come to the stage.
My name is Anže. I'm coming from Victorone, Aviation Training Solutions. We are basically a group of friends which we are all pilots, and you know, one thing led to another, and we decided that we want to have a flight school. So we decided to open it, but everybody is a pilot, busy schedules, flying all over Europe, and we decided the only way we do it is online, everything online. All the internal work, all the courses, all the examinations, everything is done only online. We have some flexibility to do it also in person, but we mostly do it all online. First we decided to open flight school, basically ATO, with ATPL for aeroplanes. We only do theory, we don't do any practical flying lessons or anything like that. After a while, we noticed that in Slovenia we have a lot of demand for language testing. So you know, every pilot needs a language testing, language being tested, how well can they speak English, for example. Yeah, we decided to open that too. For our courses we have for airplanes, we also have for helicopters. And a special one is a bridge course, so if you have ATPL A theory credit, you can also do. We come to us and you get an ATPL H for helicopters. This is used quite a lot with Slovenian Army, because they come from college and they have ATPL A theory, but when they come to Army they get assigned to fly helicopters and they need to do additional courses. In order to do everything online, as you know, it's not strictly allowed by EASA. You have to have some additional work being done. So we applied to 2 different ALTMOCs, alternative means of flights.
It is my honor to announce that the President of the Republic of Slovenia, Dr. Nataša is arriving at the venue, accompanied by the President of the Slovenian Women Pilots Association, Ms. Maja Pukar. Welcome.
So, my dear ladies and some men among you, it's so nice, you know, to see women in my majority. That doesn't happen often in politics. It's quite, you know, strange sometimes to see only men in the room and then one woman enters and then it's, what is she doing here? Here I am.